Today I have Samsung Note 20 Ultra screen for repair. So it is bottom middle is cracked, but its half screen is not working and not displaying. So let's remove the back glass. So when you are removing the back glass, be careful because it has a curve on the both edges. So remove gently and unscrew the upper part of the motherboard, and then the lower part unscrew all things. So I skip the videos. So let's put the soft knife on the corner first to release that plastic thing from the body. Yep, now is good. Now you can lift that plastic piece and make sure you don't break the connector which is underneath that metal plate. I should have removed that metal plate first, but it's okay. That connector I'm talking about. So just let's unscrew that metal plate. That is the last screw, which is I forget to remove it. So just remove it. So the metal plate also has a connector on the motherboard, and it has a glue underneath that, so don't rip that thing, otherwise you'll break it. So after removing that the lower plastic and the metal plate from the body, now it's time to remove the motherboard. So it's kind of little sticky, so I have to wiggle a little bit to remove it. Look at the back side of the motherboard, that's the front. So this charging port of the Note 20 Ultra has couple of connector. One goes directly to the charging port and the other one is to the mic and etc. And remove the battery and make sure you don't use the metal tool until you know how to use it properly. So after everything the old to the new screen, everything put to the new screen, I'm just connecting the screen connector, now putting the charging port, and it has a couple of screws down there. You have to put those screws, and after those screws, here is the plastic bag, and I just screwed the bottom part and then trying to just turn it on. Let's see. Yeah, it is turning on. So after put everything back, so I'm just putting the back glass. Before finalize, I'm just checking the touch is working again. So make sure you align properly, then it will go easily. So I didn't take out the S Pen from the old screen, so I'm just taking out and put it back. So let's try the final one, and thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video.